There's a disease that affects women, and it's quite common. It's called cervical cancer. The opening to the woman's uterus, called the cervix, can form small bumps around it. And most women, after having sexual intercourse, typically go through a natural self-cleanse. But sometimes it depends if their cervix is strong. There are a number of factors that can affect this cleansing process. For example, if the woman smokes or has had multiple children or takes birth control for many years, or the woman has HIV, all of those can increase the risk for cervical cancer. The cervix, it's important for the woman to have a pap smear of the cervix. A pap smear is performed by a specialist, and a swab is inserted into the woman's vagina. It's a white swab with a white tip, and the specialist swabs the lining of the cervix in order to see if the woman has cervical cancer. And if the woman has cervical cancer, if they find out early enough, usually it's easy to cure. If they don't have any, typically women just usually have an annual exam of their cervix. But if you haven't had an exam yet or don't know that you have cervical cancer, it's very hard to cure, and it can spread throughout the body, then becomes cancer. And if you have this cancer, it's usually very hard to cure.